Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Glicial Medi Cusmiano from BSED English 2A, and today I'm going to share my personal and professional development plan, a roadmap that lays out my dreams and plans over the next decade. This plan reflects my dedication to achieving growth in three core areas: family, career, and personal goal, starting with my 3-year plan. So for my family, I considered myself to be a capable daughter who can support them financially and occasionally spoil them. Additionally, I want to cover my sister's educational expenses to help her reach her own dreams. So supporting my family is my number one priority. To make this possible, I will work hard to earn money and discipline myself to prioritize my necessities. By doing so, I can save consistently and ensure that I am able to support my family without any issues. Next is in my career. I envision that I already completed my college degree and then focus on preparing for the board exam with the ultimate goal of passing it. I am also enrolled in TestDaP to earn my NC2 and I'm currently teaching in a private school to gain hands-on experience. To make this possible, I should prepare myself to overcome any challenges that may arise and stay committed to enjoying the journey that unfolds. For my personal life, I would like to explore new places and experiences that aligns with my interest. This includes traveling to destinations I haven't visited and trying new things that inspires me. This goal will add balance to my life and give me new perspectives along the way. To make this possible, I need to maintain a healthy work-life balance with setting priorities, managing my time effectively, and taking care of my health. Moving on to my 5-year goals. For my family, I am still supporting them financially and I hope to see our house renovated to create a more comfortable living space. I also want to continue assisting my sister with her education as she pursues her own career. To make this possible, I'll continue my job and set aside monthly savings specifically for home improvements and my sister expenses. In my career, I aim to continue gaining valuable teaching experience. Additionally, I am hoping that I can take board exams for the PNP and BFP. Meanwhile, I will also be pursuing my master's degree to deepen my expertise. To make this possible, I'll discipline myself in time management and stay motivated by connecting my professional goals to my personal development. And for my personal goal, I still want to explore places I haven't visited, and I plan to attend fan signing events of my idols as a way to enjoy my interest. These activities will help me maintain a balanced, enjoyable life alongside my work. To make this possible, I'll set aside savings for personal expenses and carefully plan my spending to avoid overspending. Looking further ahead to 2031, I envisioned a life where I can build upon the foundations I've set in the previous years. For my family, I believe that my sister had already graduated from college, but I will still continue to support her as she builds her career. Additionally, I want to buy a rice field, a valuable resource that can help provide financial security for my family in the future. To make this possible, I will work hard to save money and set a clear financial goal and timeline to track my progress. In my career, I hope to have completed my master's degree by this time, and if I pass the PNP or VFP exams, I would like to pursue a career in one of these fields, as this has always been my dream profession. To make this possible, I will stay motivated, confident, and focused on my ability to succeed. Next is for my personal goal. I aim to expand our family's coconut farm and turn it into a business. To make this possible, I'll explore business opportunities, develop a strong business plan, and keep learning to ensure that I am on the right path. Finally, looking 10 years in the future, I have set my sights on achieving a fulfilling life where my hard work pays off in many aspects. For my family, I want to be in a position where I can provide for them financially, take them on trips to places they desire, and celebrate all our milestones together. My ultimate goal is to be able to support them fully and give back to them for their constant love and support. To make this possible, I will work hard to ensure I can provide for them financially without any problems. I'll continue to save money, which will enable me to take my family wherever they want, be present for every milestone, and give them a comfortable life. In my career, I pictured myself settled in a profession I truly enjoy. Although my path may not be completely free from challenges, my goal is to have reached a level of financial stability where I can focus on enjoying my work without constant worries about finances. To make this possible, I'll stay open to learning, seek improvement, and remain ready to take on new opportunities to boost my financial stability. For my personal goal, I hope to have explored most places within the Philippines, and if given the chance, I would like to travel and work abroad. I also want to pursue my passions freely, like attending concerts, traveling, and investing in property. This step is about fulfilling my dreams and broadening my horizons. To make this possible, I carefully plan and break down each goal into manageable steps, ensuring that my dreams are achievable. That's all. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to embracing this journey with dedication and perseverance.